Each person has their own individual mobility needs. A different location, a different vehicle, a different journey. Imagine a tire designed for the electric mobility of tomorrow, designed for consumers who will increasingly be looking for individualized products and solutions. Imagine an intelligent tire that can adapt and change as you do. The Goodyear Recharge is a revolutionary, self-regenerating concept tire. Whether it's winter or summer, you're in the city or the mountains, it's a concept tire designed to let you start something great. At the core is a reloadable and biodegradable tread compound that can be recharged with individual capsules, radically simplifying the process of replacing your tires. The customized liquid in the capsules recharges the tire tread, enabling the tire to adapt over time to climatic circumstances, road conditions, or simply how you want to travel. Harnessing the power of nature, the tread compound is reinforced with fibers inspired by one of the toughest natural materials in the world, spider silk. It helps to build a tread that is both extremely durable and sustainable. The tread is supported by a lightweight, non-pneumatic frame and tall and narrow shape. This is a thin, robust, low-maintenance construction. Symbolizing Goodyear's vision for the future of advanced mobility, the Goodyear Recharge is a concept tire without compromise, supporting personalized, sustainable, and hassle-free mobility. Goodyear, shaping the future of electric mobility.